Jarri are the experts at meticulously reconditioning lorries, trucks, and heavy machinery brought in from abroad to ensure they are in optimum condition for Malaysian roads and climate. All moving machinery and engine parts are removed and cleaned to revitalize performance. This includes replacing the clutch lining so that the vehicles drive as good as new. Cooling system parts, such as radiators and intercoolers, are pressure tested as an alternative way of testing. They are submerged into water to identify any leakages, a standard procedure to inspect for wear and tear. Safety is paramount at Jarri, and we ensure all vehicles' braking systems are carefully inspected to make sure stopping power is always at its peak. Next, the electrical systems, comprised of alternators and starters, are inspected and optimized to ensure smooth delivery of the power supply to the drivetrain, as well as specific equipment installed onto customized trucks. Stainless steel sheet metal is then measured, cut, bent, welded, and shaped according to required specifications. As a safety measure, all steel sheets are grinded to smoothen out any rough edges before final fitting onto the trucks, whether it be the flooring or ceiling. After that, all of the remaining parts of the truck that were earlier removed and cleaned will be reassembled. Elsewhere, another team have given the vehicle's body and cabin a fresh coat of paint. When all the essential parts have been assembled, the cabin and other freshly painted body paneling will be fitted back on. Non-engine related wiring systems are then reinstalled and the number plates refitted. Finally, before being certified fit and compliant with the Road Transport Department's requirements, one last diagnostic test, brake capability test, will be carried out to ensure everything is at optimum performance. Every truck then goes through a pre-delivery inspection before it is allowed to be driven out of Jarri. Jarri Engineering, trusted partners for business on wheels and KW machinery.